Pull-ups can be a difficult enough exercise for us to get our heads around without having to deal with imbalances in strength across the right and left sides of our arms and back. Over time, and left unchecked, this can become a significant problem, decreasing our strength capacity, making it harder to break through plateaus, and overall lowering the ceiling that we will be able to take our pull-ups to. So today we'll be looking to understand how to fix imbalances with our pull-ups. Let's get into it. How you doing, Cali Crowd? Welcome back to the channel that makes calisthenics simple. Jumping straight into it, how can we tell if we've got imbalances in our pull-ups in the first place? Well, the signs can be relatively straightforward to spot, starting with the fact that you will simply feel more fatigued on one side of your body faster than the other. When it comes to exercise, intuition is nothing to be scoffed at, and if you feel you've got an imbalance in your pull-ups, you likely may have. That being said though, listening to how your body feels is very difficult to measure, and so a more tangible method would be to record yourself to see if the muscles on one side of your back fire up a split second before the other side. This can be an indication that the lagging side is weaker until we subconsciously initiate the pull-up with the stronger side of our back and arms. Imbalances can also manifest as our feet slightly pointing to one side during the pull-ups. For instance, if our right side is stronger than our left, our feet, assuming that we're holding full body tension, may tilt leftwards of our body line for a short time during the rep. Because calisthenics exercises are compound by their very nature, imbalances can be a very common problem, especially if we zealously adopt a bodyweight only approach. But how do we fix this? How do we fix imbalances? Well, unilateral exercises are typically the best way to fix any imbalances that we have across our body. So just do one arm pull-ups. See you in the next video. I am of course joking. For most of us, unilateral calisthenics exercises will just be way too demanding. No, this is where leaning on a hybrid training approach really earns its bacon, and using weights is going to be the best way that we can fix uneven pull-ups. An exercise I really love for this is the single arm lat pull down, but done in a way that really ensures that the strength built here translates really well to the pull-up. Using a cable machine, sit so that you're directly under the handle and allow enough head height so that the working arm at full stretch leaves tension on the cable. This mimics the dead hang in a pull-up and ensures that we get that stretch under load that we like when hypertrophy is the goal. From here, we pull down, visualizing as if we're in the actual pull-up. And because we're seated as opposed to kneeling, we avoid getting any help from our legs. Be sure not to twist towards that working arm and maintain the tension that we would look for in the pull-up proper. For the purposes of resolving imbalance, I would also recommend that we start on the side that we recognize as being our weakest. What I love most about this exercise is that we can tether it to our standard pull-up training, because scaling the difficulty is so easy, we can simply just lower the weight. Remember, the goal here is to resolve imbalances, so even if you can do more weight on one side, we should wait until the other side catches up and be performing reps on both sides with the highest degree of quality. Crowd, give this a go if you are struggling with imbalances across your pull-ups. And if you want to find out how you can better tailor your pull-ups to hit your calisthenics goals, then check out this video right here.